With the new WIFI courses, you can become a Microsoft Office expert. That's how it works. You can start anytime, when and wherever you like. You've got access to all learning resources for a whole year. You can decide for yourself when you want to learn. Trust the WIFI and get access to a learning program that stands out because of its quality. Your learning resources got developed with a good understanding of didactic principles. The resources offer a lasting transfer of knowledge. You are going to work with the help of modern technology. Your input gets checked regularly and it's always up to date. Which course is the right one for you? You can choose from Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Access and Office 365, or take the whole package. You are going to get access to adaptive knowledge tests. You can find out about new content through videos and screencasts. Learn through practical tasks and get feedback whenever you want. From experience for your experience. Make use of the use cases and solidify your own knowledge. We recommend using a computer or laptop with internet access. You won't need to install any software or app. You can simply access the learning environment through your own internet browser. Take your digital skill to the next level and become a Microsoft Office expert at the WIFI.